Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick video on how to remove a fixed digital hygrometer in some of our humidors. We get a lot of questions regarding they can't calibrate the hygrometer, although it's very easy. First thing you're going to do is remove the shelf. Then you're going to push out with 2 thumbs on the inside, and you'll notice it comes out quite easily. And there's a rubber O-ring that's going to give it that airtight seal. And then you just run the calibration test on the hygrometer. Links in the top right hand corner to that video. And once you're done calibrating the hygrometer, what you want to do is you want to place it back in the hole and push evenly on both sides. Then it'll fit nice and snug, give it that airtight seal. You know your hygrometer is running perfectly and it's fully calibrated and you're ready to go.